Okay, station 3 is on salts. For this station, we are only going to be using our hand lens and our microscope. We are going to skip the eyes because it's going to be really hard to get some good physical properties of just your eyes because they kind of all look the same. So we have our hand lens and our microscope, and we're going to go ahead and start with our first salt that we're going to be talking about, which is Epsom salt. And I went ahead and put it on black paper so you can get a good view of it. I'm kind of tap it out so you can get them flattened out so you can see. Focus it for you. Okay, there we go. So on the salt, what you're going to be telling me is you're going to be telling me what kind of shape it is, um, if it looks crystal-like, the color of it, the size, the shape. So take a few seconds to look. Is it all the same? Is it different? So this is going to be Epsom salt, and then here we go with the hand lens for you. So take a second, look at the Epsom salt under the hand lens. Okay. The next salt we have is what we would call table salt, which is the salt most of us will use when we are at the kitchen table. I'm gonna also kind of flatten that out for you a little bit. And then let's go ahead with the hand lens. And then what are you noticing about the shape? So you can kind of look around the edges. What do you kind of notice about the shape? Are they all the same shape, different shape? What is the shape? What about the coloring? I know my students in years past have used some of the words like translucent, transparent, cloudy, all those kind of things. Our next one is going to be rock salt. So this is used a lot on roads when it's icy, which we have very little of here in Texas, but rock salt. So here you go under the hand lens. We're going to be talking about the shape, the coloring. Okay. And the next one is something you actually use when you're like pickling different things, and it's alum. And this one is very, very fine. Let's switch it out for you here. There you go. So, physical properties of that one. And now we're going to be looking at those particular salts under the microscope. So your first one, okay, this is your Epsom salt under the microscope. This is table salt under a microscope. This is your rock salt under a microscope. And then our final one, under a microscope.